Welcome to the Writer's Corkboard. The Writer's Corkboard is a virtual corkboard with index cards that can be used by writers to organize or storyboard novels by chapters, scenes, acts, or what have you. Please note that the Writer's Corkboard is not software. It is a Microsoft Word document, and as such you must have Microsoft Word installed on your computer in order to use the corkboard. If you do not have Microsoft Word, there is a version of the corkboard offered for LibreOffice Writer as well. LibreOffice is a free office suite, and LibreOffice Writer is its word processor. I'm going to demonstrate the corkboard on the Microsoft Word version. The Writer's Corkboard comes in two orientations, landscape and portrait. Both are size 11 by 17. Several index cards are provided on the corkboard, and you will use these cards to generate new cards. The index cards come in two styles, with pushpin or without. Okay, let's begin by moving a card. In order to move an index card, left-click on the card's frame, keep the left mouse button depressed, and drag the card to the desired location. Once again, to move an index card, left-click on the card's frame. When the resizing handles appear, drag the card to the desired location. Index cards can be moved and positioned anywhere on the corkboard. To create a new card, right-click on the card's frame, select Copy from the menu, then right-click anywhere on the corkboard, and select Paste. The new card will appear overlapping the card you copied from, and you can drag it to any desired location. Once again, to create a new card, right-click on the card's frame, select Copy, then right-click anywhere on the corkboard, and select Paste. The new card appears overlapping the original card, and you can drag it to the desired location. To delete an index card, left-click on the card's frame. When the resizing handles appear, press the Delete key on the keyboard. Once again, to delete an index card, left-click on the card's frame, and when the resizing handles appear, press the Delete key on the keyboard. To change a card's color, right-click on the frame, and select Format Object from the menu. When the new window opens, ensure that the Colors and Lines tab is selected, go to the Fill section, locate the color drop-down box, and open it. Then select the color of your choice, click OK, and the card color has changed. Once again, to change a card's color, right-click on the frame, select Format Object from the menu, ensure the Colors and Lines tab is selected, go to the Fill section, open the color drop-down box, select the color of your choice, and click OK. Now please note that there are many more colors available than the colors shown on the drop-down box. Let me demonstrate that. I'll repeat the process one more time. I right-click on the frame, I select Format Object from the menu, Colors and Lines tab, Fill section. I'm going to open the color drop-down box again, but now I'm going to bypass the colors that are provided and go to the bottom where it says More Colors. If I click there, an entire spectrum of colors opens, and I can select any color in the spectrum as the color for my card. Once I've selected a color, I click OK, OK again, and the card color has changed. In this manner, you have a virtually unlimited number of colors available for your index cards. Okay, to add text to a card, click in the card and simply type away. To delete text, you can select the text and press the Delete key on the keyboard, or you can use the backspace key, or you can use the Delete key. To edit or format text, you can do basically anything you can do to text in a Microsoft Word document. For example, if I select this text here, I can change its size. I can change the font. I can bold it. I can italicize it. I can underline it. I can change its color. As I said, you can do anything to text on an index card that you can do to text in a Microsoft Word document. The same is true for the corkboard title up here. I can select this text and type over it with my own title. Oops. Let's try that again. I can also change the color of the title box if I wish, using the same manner that I used to change the color for the index card.